2020 as a director of logistics for the AS sector. I was promoted to global supply chain and logistics within that time frame between now and then. I run an organization of over 130 people. In this position, I'm responsible for facilitating our import export activities as well as our domestic activities and compliance activities. And in addition to that, I have some other assignments related to our sustainability and digital transformation activities. Definitely not a dull job. I'm excited. I feel as if my career journey along the way has prepared me for my current position. I enjoy what I do. It's probably the latter part of my career. I've been in this industry 34 years and definitely feel as if, what I've been able to do thus far has prepared me. And I look forward to the journey as I continue down the pathway of my next few years and whatever I do. But I enjoy working for Northrop Grumman.